These days, it's easy to use your phone for everything. But it's also easy to get distracted and overwhelmed by your phone when it's the only thing you use. In this video, we'll take a look at some stationery that you can incorporate into your daily life. They may help improve your focus and be more present and productive. Pens and pencils that are precisely engineered. These pens and pencils won't interrupt your workflow, so you can focus on the task at hand. Zebra Blen Ballpoint Pen. Speaking of the annoying sounds that some writing instruments make, the Zebra Blen was designed to make those things of the past. In fact, it was designed with the intention of providing a stress-free writing experience. Its noise-free body eliminates any rattling that may divert your attention, and its direct touch tip ensures there are no uncomfortable vibrations when you put the pen to paper. Finally, its emulsion ink is darker and smoother than regular ballpoint ink for clear, legible writing. The Blen is also available as a gel pen for writers who enjoy vibrant ink that leaps off the page. Pentel Orange AT Mechanical Pencil. Have you ever seen a pencil that automatically advances the lead for you? Click the top button on the Pentel Orange AT and it will extend the lead each time the pencil is lifted from the page. You can keep writing until the lead runs out. Plus, its sliding lead sleeve helps to prevent breakage and can be retracted for safe storage in a pen case. The Orange AT features a plastic body with metal details and rubber sections on the grip for a secure hold. The Pentel Orange Nero is another one of our favorite mechanical pencils and a standout product in our over-engineered stationery series. Its auto-advancing lead mechanism is housed in a sleek resin-metal blend body. Because its barrel and grip section are all one piece, it does away with the distracting sounds made from loose components in a normal mechanical pencil's body. Notebooks and memo pads that fit perfectly on your desk. Kokuyo Campus Half-Size Notebook. Handwriting helps you retain information and be more thoughtful about your language. But if you need to use a notebook and a laptop, your workspace may end up quite cramped. The Kokuyo Campus Half-Size Notebook is the perfect size to place in front of a laptop. It won't hang over the edge of a desk or have to be placed on top of a keyboard. And its dotted line sheet style is great for notes as well as tables and diagrams. Lehit Lab Twist Ring Memo Notepad. Using your phone to brain dump your ideas, memos, and to-dos may be convenient, but it can lead to forgetfulness when it's all out of sight and out of mind. Instead, try writing down these bits of information in a compact Lehit Lab Twist Ring Memo Notepad. Its ingenious design lets you rearrange pages and refill the notepad with fresh sheets as needed. The twist ring mechanism can also be found in larger notebooks from this product line, for those who appreciate having matching stationery. Midori Stand Memo Pad. If you benefit from visual reminders, check out the Midori Stand Memo Pad. It comes in horizontal and vertical styles, with pre-made layouts or gridded sheets. Additionally, each memo pad is adorned with adorable illustrations and mounted on a charming, colorful stand. The stand can be folded down, which makes it comfortable to write on when adding notes. It's also easier to transport in a bag or store away in a desk drawer when flat. Accessories that help you stay productive. High Tide Hourglass. The High Tide Hourglass may be a beautifully handmade object, but it's not just a pretty paperweight. It runs for about 30 minutes, which is perfect for anyone who utilizes time blocking to complete tasks. You won't have to set a timer on your phone, only to get distracted when you end up mindlessly scrolling through social media. Reimei Kenko Adjustable Book Stand. Ergonomics is an often overlooked factor when it comes to workflow. But if you've ever hunched over a desk for a few hours, you know the pain of a sore back. The Reime Kenko props up your book or electronic tablet at the right angle for good posture. Its silicone-tipped prongs won't scratch a screen or rip a page, and its frame can be adjusted to different angles as needed. Other than study sessions, it's great for holding a cookbook open when your hands get messy. Sonic Smasta Standing Pen Case. The Sonic Smasta converts from a pen case to a stand in seconds. When the case is unzipped, the top portion folds back and stays open with magnets. The main compartment gives you easy access to all of your pens and pencils, and a smaller front pocket has a hook and loop closure for securing erasers and other accessories. You won't have to waste time digging through a crammed pen case for your favorite writing instrument. The front pocket is also large enough to prop up your phone, in case you need to watch a lecture or review your notes. Additionally, Sonic has a larger Smasta bag-in-bag, which is spacious enough for a small notepad. 2 elastic bands help you organize your pens, and a zipper pocket keeps smaller items like paper clips secure. Do you use any of these analog tools in your day-to-day? Let us know in the comments. You can find all of the products linked in the description and at JetPens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. Thanks for watching!